A lot of you guys are just super lazy, that's it. But this is exactly how you're gonna build an aesthetic physique, and I'm gonna tell you guys how I did it. So it's not just from a random person who's telling you, you know, yeah, this is how, or some skinny guy or some skinny geek who's telling you how to do it. I'm telling you how to do it because I've done it, and look at where I came from, guys. Super obese. At this point, I was weighing over 120 kilos, okay? Obese. When I was sleeping, I kept on stopping to breathe in my sleep. Can you imagine? Look how wide my belly was, okay? But I was able to change everything, and I'm gonna be teaching you guys and showing you guys exactly how I was able to do it. All right, and remove this gut and go from that to literally abs from no second. So what you're gonna have to do is, I've got all of this written down for you guys, okay? What you, my friend, you're gonna have to focus on and do is you're gonna have to get somewhere between 15% to 12% body fat. Super important. You have to get to that point, because there's no point building all of this and then not being able to see it. Right now it's like there's a cloak, there's like an invisibility cloak that's over your body, okay, of fat, pure absolute garbage fat that you've been accumulating over these years. So we're stripping off the layer, we're stripping off the carpet. I mean, look at me, man, this is disgusting, and this is not good. This doesn't please God by any means. This is gluttony. You're overeating for no damn reason. No wonder you're lazy, no wonder you have no aspirations, and no wonder your finances suffering for it. So you have to change this. Only you can do it, not me. You can do it, but I'll teach you and hold you by the hand whilst we're doing it together. You can definitely do it, okay? So what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna get to 15% or 12% body fat. 12% is ideal. 15 is, that's when you're gonna start to see the definition. You're gonna start to see the bicep peaks, okay? You're not gonna be able to worry about such things that you can see on the screen where your face is super puffy and all of this. You're gonna start to lean out. As you can see, the bicep peaks are literally right there. All right, guys, and at this point, look how sad I am. I am sad on the bloody screen. I'm literally sad. Let's fast forward even to certain parts where you're gonna be like, oh my days, Ronnie and P, what was going on? But yes, so at my heaviest, as you can see, that's 264 in pounds, but in kilos, that's about 120 kilos. In order for me to build the aesthetic physique as I did, to be able to be talking right now and still have bicep peaks, is I went somewhere near 15%, okay? Right now I'm currently hovering between 14% and 12%-ish, but around that number anyways, okay? That's what I'm hovering at. So what I did was, number 6, I bought 10 kilo dumbbells. Bear with me, guys. There's a step to it, there's a guide to it, and if you follow this, guys, I'm telling you, you're going to change your life forever. I bought 10, I'll show you guys, okay? 10 kilos. All right, look, okay? And every, this is keeping it raw with you guys. I'm not selling you guys nonsense or whatever all of these people are doing. Buy this, and every single night before you sleep, I want you to do 50 reps of it, 10 kilos. Each arm, 50, 50. If you're feeling extra brave that day, go for another 50, 50, 50, so that'll be 100, okay? And for your triceps, all I want you to do is to do tricep dips. All you need to do dips is find some sort of a chair or a bench or anything, literally, okay? You see what's behind me? Okay, just on the ledge of that, and you just go and you do dips. That's it. And I want you to do 50, and if you're feeling extra brave, do another 50. So that'll be a total of 100. So that'll be 50, 50. And if you're feeling extra brave, do another 50 once more. By the way, if you're finding tremendous value in this, I want you to smash that like button so you can get it out to another fatty who's trying to change their life, okay? But we are going to be changing your life, and this is exactly how I did it, okay? So I want you to do 50-50 for each and every single arms using that, because having biceps, guys, is one of the most aesthetic part of the body that has ever existed. I've noticed whenever someone's like, oh, you've gone skinny, usually they're like, oh, your arms have gone skinny, and they're talking about the arms, okay? So that's what you want, the arms. We're gonna get to the traps, don't worry about that. The traps is definitely coming, but the traps is another part, because if you have traps, I'm telling you guys, in clothes, you're going to look phenomenal. If you have biceps, your biceps are going to be hugging the sleeves. You're going to look phenomenal. So that's why we're focusing on biceps. That's why biceps is literally the number one for me. Big arms. Whenever you see anybody getting complimented, or guys or whatever it is, it's usually, wow, he's got big arms, man. He's got big arms. So arms are super important. That peak is super important, as you guys can see. And then we're going to get to the chest. For the chest, what I want you guys to do is at night. This is morning and night. This is excluding the gym. We want to get to the gym, and I'm going to be giving you guys the full plan. So be sure to watch all the way to the end so you can get the full plan. But what I want you guys to do for chest is simple. For chest, all you need to do is give me 100 push-ups. 100 push-ups, and trust me, it's going to build your chest. We're not talking, I'm not telling you go and do 100 kilos in the gym and risk a bunch of injuries and all of this. Literally your own body weight, 100 push-ups every single night. I'm telling you guys, you're going to destroy it. But I'm going to be giving you guys later on a V1, V2 and V3. I'm going to explain to you guys what V1, V2, V3 is and how I was not only able to replicate this stuff on myself, as you guys are seeing me on the screen right there, but I was able to do it with my brothers as well. So you're going to be able to see, look at the transformation, guys. Look on the screen as what you're about to see right now, from literally before to after. So that's what I'm telling you, this stuff works. S&T, school never taught. I'm teaching you guys things that school never taught you. In school, in PE, in physical education, they didn't teach you this. This is my other brother. Look, AD, look at the transformation. Literally, from growing up to taking him, because as I said, I've been transforming not only my life, but my brother's lives. And I'm telling you guys, I'll do the same for you guys as well, if you're able to listen to me, and I'll show you guys the exact workout that I used to be able to go from literally what you guys can see, a chubby monster, a big 120 kilos, to where we are right now. Okay, so you want to build up your aesthetic physique. So we're starting off with arms. Chest is a big one, because when you get a big old butt chest, you're literally gonna look like Arnold Schwarzenegger. You look at that, the V-tape is gonna start to come in. You're gonna have that Greek god physique. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to shape the chest. The best way I found to quickly, fast shape the chest is by doing push-ups, 100 of them every single morning, every single night if you're feeling extra. But the night one, you know, in the morning one, I'd rather you just stick to one, because all of this is consistency. So I'd rather you do one than, you know, trying to achieve everything at once and then just giving up because it's too hard for you. But as I said, there's a fix for that. So stay tuned so you can see the fix. If you're finding value in this, smash that like button. So the next thing you want is you want abs, and you're gonna get abs by doing cardio and bringing yourself down to 15 to 12%. The easiest cardio that I've found that's super easy, that you don't have to burn yourself to death or that's gonna spike your hunger, is walking. I walk about 20,000 steps per day. Okay, if you can do 10,000 steps per day, that's gonna be absolutely fine. Okay, but if not, you know, it is what it is. But as you guys can see there, if it focuses, you're gonna see 547,000. Okay, look at that. By walking 20,000 steps per day, which I just showed you guys, in a month I'm doing about 547,000 steps. Okay, and let me show you guys per day. On a daily basis, I'll hit about 21,000 steps. As you guys can see, this is my step counter. Okay, that's gonna take you to a low fat, and obviously eating healthy and all of that. We're not gonna dive super into that, but all I'm telling you guys is eat vegetables, eat proteins. You're going to be just fine. It's going to get you to that aesthetic physique. But what you want to do is you want to put in the work in the gym. You want to lift, because it's all about the blood work. The more you can get blood pumping. Look at that tricep, man. That horseshoe. Look at that horseshoe. I'm telling you guys, I know exactly what I'm talking about. If you listen, you're going to change your life. And if you follow these steps, you're going to change your life. At the end of it, as I said, I'm going to near the end, I'm going to be giving you guys a step-by-step guide on how I was able to do all of this. So just keep on listening. You're absolutely going to get there. So we're going to attack chest, as I said. The lower body fat percentage is going to start to allow us to see our muscles or our chest and everything else. But the next is you're going to attack abs. I want you guys to do crunches, okay? If you have lower back issues, do leg raises whilst hanging up, okay? So we don't want you to develop lower back issues, okay? The traps are gonna come in afterwards, as I said. but you want to focus on your abs because you want to build your abs, just do 100 crunches. You're nice, man. You're good. That's all it's going to take. It's not going to take anything super extra, and it's going to be able to take you, your big fat belly just like mine, to all the way having abs. And by the way, you keep seeing SNT. This is for School Never Taught or schoolnevertaught.com. You're going to find the link in the description down below. Limited spots available. We're going to transform our faith, fitness and finance. So that's what we do. If you want to join, limited space, as I said, because I can't train every single person by the hand. Limited space. If you want to join, link is going to be in the description down below. Go click on it and yeah, go and join. But if not, do these. You're going to be just fine anyways. So the first thing that I want you guys to prioritize is to build muscle. Guys, if you focus on just the fat loss, you're gonna be skinny little rat. Why? Because you're gonna shrink in body fat, but you're gonna realize very quickly, wait, I don't have any muscle. I reduced my fat, but I have no muscle. There's no peak. There's no separation. Look at my shoulders. There's no striation trying to pop out. So that's why muscle, as number 5, you just seen it, muscle is super important. Okay, then we want to get your money right. Why? Because if you don't have money, you're not going to be able to buy the food. You're going to need the food to be able to build the muscles, to be able to build your calves. These are all muscles that you're going to need. You're going to need food to be able to build them. So that's why I said tip number 2, you're going to have to get your money right. And then, because you're telling me, Ronnie MP, how about legs? We're not going to be skipping legs. As you guys can see, I've got legs, okay? We're not going to be skipping legs. What we're going to be doing for legs is we're not really going to prioritize it that much. Why? Because if you're skinny up top, you want to build that butt chest, as you guys can see on screen right now. You want to build the crazy legs that you guys can see on screen right now. So look at that from before and how my triceps have come thus far. So basically, what I want you guys to do is, I want you guys not to skip legs, but it's not going to be too much of a priority because we're doing this fast. So we want to build our physique fast, okay, our upper body fast, and then the rest is going to come. So for legs, I'm going to be giving you guys the plan right now as a bonus, as I promised you guys, okay? So this is what I want you guys to be doing, all right? You're gonna see, this is gonna build your legs, is gonna do everything and take care of all of this at once. So this is what we're gonna do. This is the plan, okay? This is the plan. That's the transformation that I had for them. This is the plan that I've got for you guys, all right? So in the morning, I've got upper A, legs A, then we've got upper B, then we've got legs B, as you guys are gonna be able to see on screen right now. What I want each and every single one of you guys to do, and this is going to transform your life literally, is in the morning you do crunches, okay? And those crunches, you're going to do 100 of them. As I told you guys earlier on, we're going to have V1, V2, V3, okay? This is what they mean. Version 1, version 2, and version 3. Version 1 is the easiest thing ever. So we're not going to push too hard on version 1 because version 1 is going to be for the days where you just can't be bothered. For the days where you just lacking motivation, the discipline is just not there. That's what you're gonna do version 1, because it's gonna be the easiest one. You're gonna be like, why not? Like, I can literally just bang it out, which is gonna be 10 reps, by the way. You can see V1 equals 10. For version 1, you're just gonna do 10 reps and you're done. Literally, nice and easy. Version 1, 10 reps and you're done. Nice and easy. Okay, for version 2, we're gonna do 100 reps, and version 3 is 200 reps, as you guys can see on screen right here. But however, the 200, you're only gonna be doing it on the days where you feel super disciplined, you feel like, okay, I've got extra energy, you're gonna go for it. But if not, look, you just do version 1, which is just 10 reps. I hope this is making sense, guys. Why? Because you want to build consistency. You're not going to achieve these arms, you're not going to transform your physique and your body just like you're seeing I've been able to do for others, okay, over like this. You're not going to do all of this if you're not consistent. The key is being consistent. By the way, this is on the website that like I told you guys, so if you head over on that link, you're going to be able to see all of this. You're not going to do this without consistency, so you need to be consistent. And the best way I found for you to become consistent, that I became consistent, was to literally have the days where if I don't feel like doing it, all I need to do is just 10 reps. Just do 10 reps of this exercise and that's it. You're done. You're done. And if I'm able to do that on the days that I do feel motivated, that's the days where you start to pack on size and you become a monster, you see, a peak monster. Peaky Blinders, okay? Peak monster. Why? Because you're keeping that momentum going. A rocket doesn't just shoot and then holds midway in space. It carries on with that momentum, because if it just stops midway through, that momentum, that trajectory is lost. So you need to keep that momentum going. And the best way to keep it is to have those versions, different versions, where version 1, you do a slightly easier one. Version 2, you can do the mid one or the hard one, okay, as you guys can see. So we do work out arms to failure. Okay, you could do this in a gym or at home. Arms go to failure. That's how I was able to build up these crazy peaks and these crazy biceps and all these horseshoes, as you guys can see. And I'm not even pumped right now, flat. Okay, so and then we do dips. All right, number 2, you want to focus on dips. These are all the fundamentals. Okay, so arms to failure. When I walk into the gym, arms to failure, you walk and then you go do dips. Okay, you either do 10 version 1 or version 2 of dips. Okay, then pull-ups, you do version 1 or version 2 or version 3, whichever version 1 you want. Okay, after the pull-ups you do push-ups, then you do shrugs, then you do military press. This is literally going to cover up pretty much your whole entire upper body. For military press, you could choose. You can either do it seated or standing. It's up to you. I'm going to let you decide on what you want to do for that, for the military press. Okay, so that's for upper A. All right, for legs A, so that's upper A and legs A. For morning, you do crunches again, because we want to build up those strong abs, because once you lose those weights, that fat, once you get to those 12% body fat, it's going to allow you to reveal your abs that you've been working on. They say abs are made in the kitchen. Yeah, well, a ton of that is 50-50. Why? Because if you don't build up those abs, it's never going to show. That's why some people are super lean. They don't have abs. Go and look at The Rock, Dwayne Johnson. People laugh at him because he's big and jacked, but he doesn't have abs, because, you know, some people are just genetically, they're never going to get abs. So you want to focus on that anyways. Okay, so let's bring that here, and so you guys can be seeing this crazy transformation, guys, as I'm showing you and talking to you guys in regards to this, because this your boy's done well, man. Okay, so version 2, so you want to be doing that. And then after that, guys, what you also want to do then for legs, this is legs A. We're still going to work our arms on legs A. Okay, that's key. We're still going to work our arms on legs A, but what we're going to be doing is, whilst we're working out legs, as you guys can see on screen right now, is on the leg day, we're going to be literally blasting arms. Then we're going to be doing some reverse treadmill walks. Look it up. Okay, so we don't make this video super long, but I told you guys it's a step by step. Then we're going to be doing leg extensions. Then we're going to be doing ham curls. Then we're going to be doing leg press, and then we're going to be working out our calves. And on all of that, on each and every single exercise, you're going to choose whether you do version 1, which is 10 reps, version 2, 100 reps, or version 3, 200 reps. Obviously, pick a weight that you can do those reps with. But what you're going to see is, bit by bit, you're going to be able to graduate in weight. Let's say you start off by doing, 10 kilos and you do 100 reps. You're going to get strong enough where you're like, oh, wait, I can put 15 kilos and I can do 100 reps with that. So you're going to graduate like that. That's how you grow with that. And then upper B, we're going to be doing arms again to failure. And then we're going to be doing dips, pull-ups, push-ups, shrugs, and then any shoulder exercises that you want. So you can work out your rear delts, or you could do side lateral raises, or whatever you want. But I'll let you guys choose on that to be able to gain the transformation, as you guys can see right there. Okay. So, and then that's upper B, and then legs B, we're going to be doing arms again. I don't know if you've noticed, by the way, we're working our arms every single day, literally every single time, we're hitting the gym, we're working our arms. And for you guys, it's going to be every single day. Blasting your arms, guys, is literally what got me to be able to achieve the arms that I've got right now, and you know, blasting it and just growing it like crazy. I'm not guessing you guys, I'm telling you guys 100% the honest truth as to how you can do it. It's literally, building muscle is literally blood work. Why? Because the more blood you can get circulating and pumping to that area of the muscle, the bigger it's going to grow. Okay, and then when you add the nutrition on top, the food, which I told you guys, you're high protein, you eat a lot of protein, a lot of protein, add some veg in there, you're going to be fine. Okay, don't complicate things. That's what I did. I chose not to complicate things, and allowed me to achieve what I've achieved right now, and I'm showing you guys. Okay, so upper A, take a screenshot of this and work it and work through it. You're going to be just fine. Upper A, legs A. Upper B, legs B, and follow that. And the V1s means 10 reps, V2 means 100 reps, and V3 means 200 reps. And find a weight that's suitable for you, that you can manage to do 10 reps or to push to do 100 reps, so you don't catch any injuries. and you're going to be just fine. I promise you guys that. Okay, smash that like button if you find value in this video, and if you want to join SNT, we're limited spots as I said, because I can't take on too many people. Link will be somewhere in the description down below. Go join, where we work on faith, fitness and finance, so you can transform all of the areas of your life. If you enjoyed this video, guys, check out this video that you're going to be seeing on this side right now, and trust me guys, you're going to change your life. All right, peace out.